Isod Sunday everyone. We're here at New Ground Cebu. Nag-open match ta. Open match jiu-jitsu every Sunday. Naka 5-10 sparring siguro ko. After that, nihuli ko. Thank you so much po Norman and all of the New Grounds people. Very welcoming. Salamat kayo. And after that, kapoy naman. So I decided to go home. Ride my motorcycle and init siya gamay. Then padong nako uli pag uli na ako. I-surprise ko ni mami og cake. Ubi pag yun yung lami kayo. So purple cake with Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day sa tanang papa diha. And the rest of the year kay Mother's Day na. So mao ni once a year ta mag-celebrate. Pero parisa din ako nagluto ni mami nga linat-an perting lami. Again, Happy Father's Day sa tanang mga papa. God bless all.